All right, welcome back to VO Tips for the Non-VO Pro. Last time we discussed condenser versus dynamic mics, and I thought it wise to continue the next logical topic, USB versus XLR. And what am I talking about? USB mics plug directly into your computer, tablet, etc. through a USB port, and XLR mics require an XLR cable and something called an audio interface, which I'll cover in a separate video, but also plugs into your USB port. Essentially, both of these do the exact same thing. They convert sound waves, basically when I talk, into digital signals, ones and zeros, which your computer can then read and display as a 2D waveform. USB mics, however, are generally lower quality and more limited in their use. So, for example, last week we talked about condenser versus dynamic mics. So, say I normally use a condenser mic like this, but needed more external isolation and wanted to use a dynamic mic. I could simply swap them out, easy peasy. Um, you'd have to really adjust a lot of the settings on your computer if you wanted to swap out a USB mic because you swapped out the audio interface as well. Also, any preamps and added signal processing tools, which I'll discuss later, but essentially things to make the mic and therefore my voice sound much nicer, cleaner, louder, in general better, cannot be added to a USB mic. There are some very powerful plugins that can do a lot to enhance USB mics, and USB mics are getting increasingly better in their quality. The Rode NT USB is my personal favorite, and many voice actors unashamedly take pride in their Apogee mic, or MIC mic, USB mics. And then there are others like the Audio Technica 2020, and the Blue Yeti is the ubiquitous mic for anyone looking to start their podcast, and in general produces an okay sound. It's likely good enough for you to start out. However, if the goal is to make better sounding audio, you'll eventually want to upgrade to a dedicated audio interface and XLR mic combo. And again, if you have a poor recording space, right, no sound isolation or acoustic treatment, a dynamic mic would be your best bet. I think I'm just over 2 minutes, so take care until next time.